In this video, we'll show you how to change the cabin air filter on your Ram 1500. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. To access your cabin air filter, you will need to completely open the glove box. Then unclip the cables. Press on each side of the glove box to release the plastic tabs from their slots. Then remove it. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Press the two tabs of the filter cover and pull on them. Take out the cabin air filter. Before putting in the new filter, it is important to clean out any impurities or leaves stuck in the filter compartment. You can order the cabin air filter used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new filter. Pay attention to the direction of airflow. The arrows on the filter should point down. Place the filter in its slot. Put the cover back in place. Put the glove box back in place by clipping it back into its slot. Clip the cables back. You can use pliers. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.